Hello friends, how are you? I'm Josep from the Spanish winery La Viñeta. We are in the northeast corner of Spain, just close to the beautiful Mediterranean Sea, also close to France. And we are located in a very nice place. You see the vineyards all around. We produce wines. We also have some olive trees, like the ones that you see over there. We produce also olive oil. We have chickens. We have bees. We have sheep. We do many things, and I hope that we can share everything that we do with you soon. Here, the isolation is finishing. We are going to start again with visitors, with tours, with picnics, with everything, with all our activity. So many kisses to you and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.